Right, each car is equipped with one of these. It's a decibel-o-meter. This will measure how loud your car is through Lionel Richie's head in the 1980s. You're also going to be sitting on one of these. This is a vibration and harshness o-meter, and this measures vibration and harshness in three planes.
Let's do it.
It's got three axes of measurement, X, Y, and the vertical.
Does it produce a number at the end of the test?
Yes, it does.
Right, got
good,
that.
let's do
Yeah,
it.
let's do it. OK.
With the equipment installed, we set off at a scientific 50 miles an hour.
This may only have a 3-cylinder diesel engine, but
It's so quiet in here, I
I can
can
hear my hair growing.